My name's Vicky and I work for Coast and Country Cottages in Salcombe. I'm the Managed Services Team Leader and I'm responsible for housekeeping and quality. My main responsibilities are to find committed, reliable cleaners and to ensure that properties are ready and clean for guests. My job can be challenging because demand can often outweigh supply and we can sometimes struggle to find cleaners to clean all the properties that we have. For agency managed properties, we organise the cleaning and we also organise the property checks to ensure the cleanliness is up to a high standard. For owner managed properties, the owners are responsible for organising the cleaning and they're also responsible for making sure that the property is ready for guests. Cleanliness is really important because first impressions count. It's really important for our guests to start off their holiday in a good way and the last thing they want to think about is cleanliness. Holiday home cleanliness is really important for us to stay ahead of our competition because there are loads of other holiday agencies in the southwest and if our cleanliness isn't up to scratch, they will go elsewhere. Cleanliness can affect reviews because poor cleanliness can result in negative reviews and negative reviews can put off customers wanting to book through us. Based on my experience and feedback from our guests, here are 5 top tips for holiday home housekeeping. Number 1. In locations like South Devon, the fantastic views are often what guests are most excited about, so make sure they can enjoy them to the maximum. If you would like help finding window cleaning services, we have contractors that we can recommend. Number 2. Cleaning isn't just for the inside. Make sure that patios, decking, and in particular garden furniture are clean. Number 3. Put yourself in your guest's shoes. If you arrive with supplies for your holiday, the last thing you want is to load food into a dirty fridge or freezer. This is the same for pots, pans and cooking utensils. Number 4. To encourage guests to take care of their holiday home, we would recommend leaving a small starter pack of supplies. This could include a couple of bin bags, a dishwasher tablet, washing up liquid, toilet rolls, sponges and tea towels. Make sure that waste instructions are clear so that guests know what to do with their rubbish. Number 5. Remember that first impressions count. Customers will instantly form an impression of your home based on how the entrance and front door are presented. Presentation is key, and things like making sure cushions are organised neatly will go a long way. The quality of bed linen is important because it gives that consistent, luxurious feel throughout the property. It also gives the guest that hotel experience. At Coast and Country Cottages, we operate our own laundry unit called Travel Light. This enables us to provide a full laundry service for all of our owners. Our laundry unit deliver linen to the properties for the cleaners to make up the beds. They take away the dirty linen and wash it and deliver back to the property ready for the next guests. It is beneficial for owners to use our linen because they don't have to worry about the upfront costs of providing the linen. They also don't have to worry about replacing anything worn. It is important for owners to provide towels because guests expect them to be in the property and they may forget to bring their own. Towels are also required to meet a 3-star Visit England standard. If owners would like advice on presenting their property to a high standard or more information on our laundry service, then please call 01548 843 773.